Hello everyone, welcome to a new InfoSec operator video. In this video we're not really going to be learning anything. Actually, it's kind of an update as to where I've been, what I've been doing, and why it's been 7 months since I've uploaded a video. That was not on purpose at all. Unfortunately, just a lot of things in life was happening with me, so I've been unfortunately unable to make a video for a little over 7 months now, which is kind of ridiculous, right? There is 324 of you as of right now who have subscribed to this channel waiting for new information to learn and to use in computing, cybersecurity, programming, and so on and so forth. So here's the update. Here's the scoop. Unfortunately, last year there was a lot of things happening at home. Then we have this whole COVID-19 thing going on, and that was, it made things rough in not me personally, but with everything and everyone around me, as well as I did end up joining the United States Army and going off to Army basic combat training. Unfortunately, that also didn't end too well. Nothing serious, but I have returned home, and now here I am making YouTube videos again and kind of relying on each of you to give me that boost of energy that I need. So, if you guys have been enjoying the previous videos that are already up on my channel, I would like to say thank you for watching them. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being interested in computer science, programming, cybersecurity, and so on and so forth. Here's the great thing though. Here's the best part. Now that I'm back, and now that I have more time on my hands, I am going to be able to give each of you some new exciting information. I'm also going to be redoing the previous videos because, let's admit, they were very, very amateur. And even this video here right now is amateur because I haven't set everything up for each of you yet. But as we get into these new videos, which, by the way, I noticed that all of you really, really enjoy the programming. Well, thankfully, I have been learning a lot of programming as of lately. So we're going to dive into that in our first new video. After this update video has been posted, I'm actually going to go ahead and start working on that for each of you right away. So not only that though, but we're going to be learning new technologies because, as we know, technology is constantly changing, and so is the ways that we hack and secure our systems, as well as build websites, play with computer parts that everybody loves, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be redoing previous videos as well as bringing each of you brand new ones. Much better quality too, by the way. Right now I'm just using the free OBS Studio with OpenShot video editor that each of you can see over here in the left side of the screen. Those are going to be replaced with brand new software such as maybe Sony Vega, as well as other how do I want to say, screen capture video software, as well as editing software, right? So that's what the Sony Vega would be. And then we'll get into I haven't looked at screen recording software yet, but I am poking around at the idea of getting new better resolution for screen recording for each of your pleasure. So guys, if you are ready for this new 2021 journey, even though the world around us kind of sucks right now, but that's why we have computers, and that's why sometimes I love living on the internet. But if you're ready for that, let's go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe if you're new and you haven't been subscribed, and I will see you guys in that first brand new video. Thanks for watching. InfoSec Operator out.